Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. The topic for today's video is how you can use coupons in Temu app. Guys, the process is very easy. You have to follow me step by step. If you follow me step by step, the process will be easy for you too. Let's get started without wasting any time. Guys, first of all, you will open your Temu app. That will bring you to this interface, that is your home interface. After that, you'll click on the U button that is in the middle of the screen. You will click it and this will bring you to this options. After that, you will click on coupons and offers. After you click this, it will bring you to this option, and here you can see you have unused, used and expired coupons. I have no expired coupons or no used coupons, but I do have an unused coupon. I can copy my unused coupon and shop with the help of it. I can click the shop option that I have been given, you can see on my screen. After I click the shop option, you can see I have 100% value coupon bundle, and these are the items that I can use my coupon to buy. Guys, I hope you liked my video, and if you did like my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe.